Welcome to the science of seasons. Turn, tilt, and orbit. Why does the Earth have seasons? The sun's surface is a very hot 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This planet is too hot for humans. This planet is too cold for life. Earth is just the right distance from the sun. The warm heat on Earth only varies by about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Our true story about seasons is a plot of different amounts of sunshine with surprising twists. The Earth turns. Every 24 hours, or one day, the Earth spins around once. This gives us our days and nights. During daytime, sunlight shines only part of the Earth. As we know, the other part of the Earth gets no sunlight at night. As the Earth turns, it causes different amounts of heat to hit our world during days and nights. This is not enough to make the seasons. Long ago, something caused the Earth to tilt. Maybe one of these crashed into the Earth. The tilt causes uneven amounts of sunlight to shine on the Earth. Let's look at 4 sun selfies during the year. Sometimes the north part tilts closer to the sun, so it gets more sunshine. Sometimes the south part tilts closer to the sun. Simply said, more sunshine means more heat that makes one part of the Earth hotter. Less sunshine makes the outer part of the Earth colder. In between, same amounts of sunlight shine on the Earth. To recap, the Earth turns and tilts. In fact, Earth's middle or equator spins at 1,000 miles per hour. Wow! The north and south parts get different amounts of sunlight during different months. But the equator always gets direct sunshine. This is why the equator area is constantly hot the whole year round. Now, back to the Earth tilt. In June, because of the tilt, Earth's north half faces the sun. This makes it summer in the north. Notice how the sun shines past the North Pole. With longer days, more sunlight shines on the north half of the Earth or hemisphere, so more heat. See how the south half of the Earth faces away from the sun. Less sun shines on the south with less heat. It is winter time. Wow! When it is summer in the north, it is winter in the south. The Earth always tilts in the same direction. As the Earth moves around the sun, different places get different amounts of sunshine. In September, the same amount of sunlight shines on the north and south halves of the Earth. The season in the north changes from hot summer to cool autumn, also called fall. Food harvest turns into leaves falling off the trees. In the south half, the season turns from cold winter to warm spring. Here is a secret. We know Earth spins around. At the same time, the Earth also moves or orbits in space around the sun. Aha! The Earth actually moves over 60,000 miles per hour. It takes 1 year to go around the sun once. In December, Earth's north half tilts away from the sun. The days are shorter. Less heat hits the north. It is cold winter time. At the same time, the south half tilts toward the sun. The days are longer. With more sunshine, it is summer in the south half. Time for barbecues on the beach. Over time, the Earth keeps moving around the sun. In March, like September, the same amount of sunlight shines on the north and south halves of the Earth. The season in the north changes from cold winter to warm spring. Leaves return and flowers bloom. In the south half, the season turns from hot summer to cool autumn. Flowers and leaves die. Next, air moves help make seasons. Heat flows from hot to cold areas on the Earth. If the Earth did not spin, then hot air from the equator would flow straight to the cold poles. But our world spins, so currents of air spin too. The speed of Earth's turn causes 6 air spin zones. See the different shapes of the spin zones? They mainly spin in opposite directions. Hot and cold air have different pressures too. This causes much of our weather. To close, Earth's turn causes sunny days and dark nights. Earth tilts causes different amounts of sunshine to heat different parts of the Earth during the year. This makes Earth seasons. The Earth part that tilts toward the sun gets more heat in summer. The part that tilts away gets less heat in winter. Wow! Amazing! Summer in the north is the same time as winter in the south. Also, circles of air currents change affect our weather. We live our lives adapting to the sun-driven seasons. We experience the turns, tilts, and orbits on our precious home planet.
See the catalog for more Alfred books. Printed copies are also available on Amazon. Over 4 million free Alfred ebooks and videos have been downloaded. Subscribe now!